There we go, we got one of those. This one from Amplifier Parts, so this is a good one here. This is really one for the amplifier, the Fender deluxe, custom, reverb, custom, deluxe, something. So I got a free sticker. So we all know where the part comes from now. I'll put it here, just in the corner. Yep. Woo. So how I'm gonna do this? Fold all that. I'm just gonna put it out of that bag here, and I'm gonna put it on the side. I'm gonna hide it. Hide everything. Put everything on the side for now, so we're not gonna see it. So I have some sheet note here that I'm gonna try to follow with my own packing, and I'm gonna change all the parts, replace, exchange, upgrade kind of a bit. Okay, so we're gonna start with this one here. Okay, oh, just two. What are those for? Don't have nothing on the back. Oh god. Okay. I'm not sure. Gonna see this on one of those here. 47, 1 UF, 40 volts. This one here. It's too small, I cannot see, I can't see. I'm gonna enter all those in the inventory too. Those are resistor that I'm gonna put. I'm not even sure. Oh my god, there's so many. Gold, yellow. So this was the tone too. The fader thing. This is for the fader thing. Beautiful, they're small. I like that. They're gonna fit. So those, yeah, maybe I'm gonna put it on this amp, the reverb, the deluxe reverb, or I'm gonna put it, try them inside the music amp, Music Man 65 112. So yeah, so those are beautiful, shiny. So those are the beautiful cap. I'm gonna exchange the filter cap. Got three ways. 47 UF 500 volt. And what about those? 22 UF 500 volt. 22 UF and 22 UF. That seems right. They are super sexy. I like that. Those are kind of big. I'm sure if they're gonna fit. It's for the tone board again. The fader tone something of the reverb side, the deluxe side. This is another one. It's again for the board, the fader board. You have a lot for the fader board. Oh, those seems small. I think those are the fish ray. I wanted to put them maybe on the tube. I don't remember the tube or next to those here. They seem small inside the doghouse. Check back the spec of those. 10K, what? This one here, I'm not sure, maybe it's for the tube amp. At least for the tone board again. I'm gonna check. I got another one here. I got some value here, that's better. Again, I think it's the tone board, some of those. $100 ohm. 47K, 47K here for the bass. So the fun is not over. I'll have to find where to go. And I got more. Wow, those are the big vis ray that's gonna go in the doghouse, and or on the tube socket. Got some other one red. 470, 470, 470. I'm looking at my sheet. Yeah, 470 here. Oh yeah, it's 444. I can put those 3 watts. Small for 3 watts. Those are 3 watts. Those are 220. Okay, we're gonna see. One. Should have 2 of those. 3 watt 470. This is between the 2 tube socket. I was thinking it was maybe on the socket. Oh might 3 watt 470 ohm. MX. Oh might. Gonna check. Probably visually I'm gonna be better on seeing the board than just like this. But wow, 1, yes, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15. I think I'm missing like 4 parts. There's some back order stuff. Wow. Okay, so I have stuff to do.